Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. First of all, wish you all a very happy new year. May this year brings lots of happiness, joy and of course good health. So it's time to announce about my brand new course called Shadowbox Magic. In this course, you will going to learn 5 different projects including baskets, boxes, envelopes and frames. And this course includes lots of techniques like paper flower making, cutting, shaping, and the boxes are made, even the frames, envelopes, everything is made from scratch. So you are going to enjoy this course thoroughly, I'm sure. And you need not to be expert in any crafty fields. Any newbie can do this course very easily by following my tutorials, and the tutorial are pre-recorded, so I am giving you whole kit for this whole project with the step-by-step tutorial. And the die I have used for this project is from branded company like Heartfelt Creations, Spellbinders and Dress My Craft. So you don't need to invest in branded dies, you will get everything in the kit. And of course, I have a surprise for all of you. The first 5% who will enroll for this course will get a free goodie from Shivani Creations. So don't miss this golden opportunity and grab this quickly as soon as possible. So quickly I am showing you the glimpse of my kit along with the projects.
So here is the quick glimpse of my projects. Aren't they looking super gorgeous and super beautiful? And I personally enjoyed a lot making these projects. So I'm sure you will also going to enjoy while making all of this. So first I'm starting with this beautiful pastel blue box. So all these lovely flowers are handmade and there is a different techniques to create these flowers. I never showed it before, and all these intricate dies are added on top and on the borders with the different techniques. And you can just open it like this. So you will get these beautiful 2 shadow box inside it, and you can put any gift inside the box. The height is approx 2 inches, so you can add 2-inch height thing easily inside the box, and the box can hold approx 200 grams weight easily. Now I'm quickly tying the knot and showing you the glimpse of the kit which you will get with the course. So for this box I have these beautiful pattern papers. This is base cardstock in blue and white color. Then some dark blue ribbons, and these are all the intricate branded dies which I have used to decorate this box. So you will get all the border dies, then top die, leaf dies, flower dies. You will also get pollens, wired pollens, ribbon. Everything you will get in the kit. You just need to arrange all basic tools. Now this is the most favorite one of mine is basket. This is cute pink basket, and see this beautiful intricate die. This die is from London and you will not get it anywhere in India. I have added the beautiful handmade roses to decorate the handle. Everything is handmade and you will gonna learn everything from scratch. Now quickly I'm showing you the glimpse of kit. So you will get base cardstock, pattern papers, some ribbons and border dies, border punches, cutouts. Then you will get flower, leaf dies, styrofoam buds, wired pollens, and this beautiful intricate die which I have ordered from UK. So everything will be included in the kit to create this beautiful basket. Now I am showing you the frame. This is super easy and super gorgeous, and see this saffron looking flowers, the corner dies, the top die, the back side of the frame, everything is looking super compact and super easy and beautiful. So you can easily remove the photograph from this, and if you want to stick it permanently, just add glue and stick it any photograph, and the frame can stand easily on your desk, and you can also gift it to anyone very easily. Now I'm showing you the kit which you will get with this tutorial. So we have cardstock, we have pattern papers, these beautiful striped and polka dot pattern paper which will enhance the frame's beauty, and you will also going to get different dies like flower dies, leaf dies, and you will get these saffron pollens, corner dies, everything is included in the kit. Is it tempting you? I'm sure the kit is so tempting. Now I am proceeding to the next one, which is cute money wrap in vintage style, and this is my most favorite one because this is looking small in the size, but this have loads and loads of technique than others. Everything is handmade, even the flowers. No single tool has been used to create these flowers. And the center part is a shaker window which I have created using small shadow box, and inside the envelope you will get this cute intricate pocket die to add any message to receiver, so you can put any small message inside this, and this is the place to hold money. And you can just close the envelope like this, and this kit has the most different things like sending hug dies, sequences, frames, flower dies, pollens, border dies, corner dies, everything you will get with this. So quickly I'm showing you the glimpse. You will get the base sheet to create envelope, you will get pattern papers, different sizes pattern papers, then you will get ribbons, dies, yellow color thread pollens, leaf dies, flower dies, and this is a beautiful doily die from Dress My Craft which I have added on both the sides on these corners. And this is about the kit for the envelope. Now I'm proceeding to the fifth project, that is this cute square box. I just love the cuteness of this box because this is very compact and very handy, and you can easily create it at the last minute and you can just quickly gift it to anyone. So you can just open it like this, and you can put watch, you can put chocolates, you can put sweets, and it has magnetic closure, so you just need to put it like this and it will automatically get closed. Now I'm showing you the kit quickly. So you will get this beautiful kit along with the tutorial of this box. You will get the striped or dotted background for pattern paper, and you will get cardstocks, then ribbons, then different dies including flower dies, leaf dies, then corners, then also you will get purple flower pearls, then magnets, then this base circle die, all in one. So that is all about my kit and the projects, and I'm sure everything is tempting you very much. Now I'm telling you about the fee structure if you want to join this course. So if you are going to do all 5 projects together along with the kit, it will be for 4,000 rupee only. You have to pay 4,000 rupee and I will ship the kit and I will share the tutorial via email. Then the second option is if you want to do any 3 projects, it will be for 3000 with the kit. I will ship you kit for any 3 projects which is chosen by you. And then third option is you can do all 5 projects without the kit. So you just need to pay 2500 rupee for the tutorial only without any kit or material. Okay, so that is all about my shadow box magic course, and I'm waiting for the good response from you, and I'm sure you will not regret it after joining it. I have also shared all the details about this project in the description box. You can check there also. That is for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.